Way out showing properties again Saturday afternoon. With this customer, I've been showing him a few properties. We did have a contract, but it fell through due to mold issues, and that's actually a good call. You don't want to get into a house with a lot of mold. No way, Jose. Anyways, back to square one, but that's okay. That's what we're here for, to help him out. We're gonna find that house. Yes. He's tall.
And it's a sliding glass door to go outside.
This is very nice.
Exactly. I've been telling him that. Get a house. That.
Place the whole, the garage, there's no work in here?
Huge. Look at this, master. You can play baseball in here.
Oh,